Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project and I want to show you a pose that is amazing for your stomach, for digestion, wonderful if you have any symptoms of IBS or constipation, things like that. Also amazing if you feel any stress or anxiety. It's all linked down here in the belly. So let's do this lovely restorative pose to really release, let go, and maybe get that digestion working in a favorable way. So this is yoga mudra, and it can be done anywhere that you have a nice solid base, seated. Also on your bed if your mattress is relatively firm is a great place. But if you can be on the floor, then that's great. So sitting in a nice cross-legged position to begin, we're going to bring the left foot onto the right thigh. So this is Ardha Padmasana, half lotus pose. If this isn't comfy, then just sit in a normal seated pose. That's no problem at all. The reason we sit with this foot on top of the thigh is that this heel will push into the right side of the digestive system, the ascending colon, as we fold forward. But also if you're seated like this, then you're still going to get pressure there. So don't worry about it if you're not flexible enough in the knee to bring your leg up. So sitting up nice and tall, bring the arms behind the body and take hold of the right wrist with your thumb and your index finger. Just let your elbows, your shoulders soften, relax. Take a nice big breath to sit tall. And as you exhale, turn your chest towards your right knee and slowly lower your body over. Release your forehead towards your knee, maybe to rest on your knee or maybe just to hang forward. Pause here. And then inhale, slowly lift everything back to the center. Take another big breath in as you exhale, turn to your opposite knee, your left knee. And as you exhale, slowly lower down, forehead to the knee or wherever is comfortable for you. And then inhale, slowly come back to the center. This time opening up your chest. As you inhale and as you exhale, slowly lower forehead. Soften everything in, forehead towards the floor. If it doesn't get there, don't worry, wherever it can be. And then inhale everything back up, and we'll do it again at this pace. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, right side. When you get here, hold the breath out just for a moment. And then inhale back to the center. Turn to the left knee and exhale, fold. Forehead to the knee, hold the breath out. And inhale back to the center. Another big breath in, feel that chest opening up. And this time as you exhale, folding forward once again. Hold the breath out. And then gather the core. Inhale everything back to the center. And this time we're going to do the same pose, but hold in the posture. So inhale nice and tall. Turn to the right side. And as you exhale, softening over, forehead to rest on the knee or wherever is comfortable for you. And as you hang out here, slowly lift your hands slightly further up the spine. And as you do, begin to let your elbows soften towards the side. Feel an opening across your upper back, your shoulder blades. And take some nice long breaths. Breathing in to fill the body up, and as you exhale, feel your body relax just a little bit further. And then when you're ready, slowly return to the center. Take a nice big breath in, and as you exhale to the other side, slowly folding forward. And when you get here again, lift the hands slightly further up the back. Relax those elbows, those shoulders. So your shoulders are parallel-ish. Your shoulders are relaxed. Nice deep breaths. And one more round of breath here. And inhale slowly back to the center. Last time, inhale, open through that chest. And as you exhale, folding all the way forward, relax the forehead to the floor. And when you're ready, slowly coming back up. Take a nice big breath in. As you exhale, release the arms. Take a roll through the shoulders if that feels nice. Uncross the legs. And hopefully you feel nice and relaxed, which is really important for helping the body to reset, and especially helping with digestive issues, but also the stimulation of the ascending colon on the right side, the descending colon on the left side, everything being encouraged to move around hopefully feels nice for you, for your system. Practice this every day. You can't go wrong. Enjoy. And if you want to practice some more yoga with me or our other wonderful teachers at the Frog Project, join us now for 15 days, totally free. We have 15 live classes a week and monthly workshops, and it's a wonderful community to become part of. Click the link below for all the information you need, and see you soon.